Jet's reputation is built one tool at a time. Their rugged range of machinery powers your workday and workforce. Committed to quality, Jet's full 2-year warranty leads the industry, and their safety features are a caliber unmatched by others. Jet Tools puts the power in your hands. Jet's multi-tool attachment will take your productivity to the next level. It's a versatile companion to the Jet 6-inch and 8-inch grinders. It's constructed to be both durable and flexible. Jet's multi-tool attachment comes with a 7-inch disc wheel, a flat belt, a free strap, and a rubber contact wheel that can be operated in both the horizontal and the vertical position. Thanks to its user-friendly design, changing belts is a breeze. It only takes a few seconds for the operator to change from coarse grit belts to polishing belts. Visit jettools.com to see more information and find a dealer near you.